If I had to take one thing from this institute, it would be discipline and presentation skills. Hello, my name is Chinmay Shinde. I've done my marketing specialization in MBA from TSCFM. When I first joined the institute, I was introduced to the faculty and the curriculum was introduced to us. Curriculum over here is more based on the practical aspects of the industry, be it presentations or case studies or various events and examinations. So when we started with our placements, we were first introduced to the placement team, and they told us all the things that we are going to go through, so as to prepare us for the whole interview process. The bootcamp had a couple of things. We had group discussion rounds, we had personal interviews, and also we had various workshops from the industry, which helped us to understand our own stream of interest when it comes to interview and choosing the right job. The placement system over here is very student oriented. Now that I've got my job, I feel satisfied and I'm excited to start my journey. So I got placed at Nextin Advisory as an expert analyst, and my job is to onboard experts from the industry onto the platform. The best part of getting into TSFM was I got to know a lot of talented people within my peer group, and one of those people I made good friends with, and now we have recently started our own Instagram channel called the.musing. So when we started the channel, digital marketing was something that we learned over here in TSFM, and I'm glad that we could apply a couple of concepts and tools that we learned how to use here for the growth of our channel. My overall soft skills have developed a lot because of the curriculum over here, and also the discipline that this institute brought in my life is something that is going to help me a lot in my journey ahead, be it job or my personal life or my social life, anything of that sort.